Close your eyes and picture this. 5 years from now, where are you? Are you standing on the mountaintop of your dreams, stronger, freer, wealthier, finally living the life you've always imagined? Or are you trapped in the same cycle, the same regrets, the same excuses, the same voice in your head whispering, what if I had just? Right now, this second, you're standing at a crossroads. One path looks comfortable, familiar. It's the easy choice. Snooze the alarm, scroll another hour, stay in the job you hate, keep waiting for someday. But the other path? It's steep, it's terrifying, it demands everything from you. But here's the truth. This one choice you make today will echo louder than anything else in the next 5 years. Will you choose courage or comfort, discipline or distraction, the pain of growth or the agony of regret? Because time doesn't stop, the world doesn't pause, and 5 years will pass whether you're ready or not. The question is, who will you be when they're gone? So choose. Not tomorrow, not when you're ready, now. Delete the apps wasting your time, walk into that gym, send the email, build the skill, bet hard on yourself because this is your moment. This is your line in the sand. 5 years from now, you'll either thank yourself or curse the choice you didn't make. What's it gonna be?